Hello there, my name is Michael Liebernight. For our Psych 418 experiment, my group of 4 focused on the connection between music and short-term visual memory. This study was performed mainly because as students we wanted to know whether music would be useful or detrimental in studying and retention of information. Reading up on the literature, we found incongruity in our sources and we wanted to get to the bottom of the issue. Most studies in this field have been conducted using classical music or nursery rhymes, so we chose a song that was more contemporary. We thought testing participants on how many short words they could remember from a PowerPoint would be a good indication of memory retention. So we hypothesized that participants who viewed the PowerPoint in silence, but with earbuds on as well, would achieve the best results, followed by those given non-vocalized music, and then finally those given vocalized music. Each of the 4 members of my group ran a study on 15 University of Texas students, yielding 60 participants. Half of them were male, half of them were female. 1/3 of them were given non-vocalized music, 1/3 were given vocalized music, and 1/3 weren't given music at all. We gave each of them a demographics sheet as well as a consent form, and then randomly assigned these participants into one of the 3 groups. We then played them Someone Great by LCD Soundsystem, with or without vocals, or with no music at all, accompanied by a slideshow of 20 words that switched every 2 seconds. We then had participants count backwards from 100 using increments of 7, so that they would not remember just the first and last words on the list. Finally, we had them recite as many words as they could remember and cross them off a checklist. Surprisingly, we did not find any statistical significance. There is no statistical difference in memory test scores between our 3 groups. Now we know how important it is to carefully eliminate variables that may have affected our results. For example, participants were tested at random times of the day at different locations by 4 different people, even if we did have the same script. Future studies should be conducted in more controlled environments around the same time of day. We hope future researchers will continue to follow this line of research.